This is what I like about this country. We even think about our Antipodean cycling friends. Got it. You send me a postcard?
What's that mean? So you found a branch that's strong enough for you to sit on, have you?
I have found a branch that's strong enough for you to sit on. You might get a wet ass though.
There, will that meet Madam's exacting in high standards?
Oh, you made me thrown, are you kind?
How old are you? Sit your ass down.
How do you want me to?
I'm not answering that.
You shut up now? Thank you. Well, hello strange people, welcome back to the channel. Just a very short video today to wish you all a very Merry Christmas and a happy holiday, or whatever it is that you celebrate this time of year. As I say, just a very short video today to also thank you all, those that comment, new subscribers and old. It's very, very appreciated. On the whole, every comment is positive, it's friendly, it's nice, and as I say, it's very, very much appreciated. I have come close at times to shutting the channel down, but it's the comments that really keep me going, because they are so nice. Even the one person who every week dislikes my videos, I'd like to thank you, because you are helping the algorithm. So thank you very much for the thumbs down every week. And I think that's
Maybe
probably...
they're dyslexic.
Dyslexic.
They mean thumbs up, but they've got the opposite.
They could be Australian.
Yeah, true.
I hadn't thought of that.
Like that sign.
Yeah. I'd like to thank my Australian subscriber for the thumbs up. Joking aside, yeah, it's very much appreciated. We're off. We're going to be off now until the new year. We are on a camp on the 2nd.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're on a camp on the 2nd, so we'll record that and bring it to you. We're certainly out with at least one other YouTuber and a grumpy old man.
Apart from you.
Yeah, that's true. All right, well, 2 grumpy old men.
Okay.
So from me, Amanda and Patch. Yes, that's you. That's you, mister. Thank you for the kiss.
The only one you're getting today.
Yeah, thanks. Yeah. It's the only face wash I'm going to get today as well. God, your breath stinks. Yes. And so does yours, Patch. What?
Nothing.
Okay.
What are you eating today?
From toast.
Oh, that's what I thought. That's all you're eating. With comments like that. You think you're having Christmas dinner, you think again, boy.
You finished?
Yes?
Okay, good. So just for me, Amanda and Patch to wish you all a very Merry Christmas, holiday, whatever it is you celebrate, and a Happy New Year. And we'll see you very soon. Got anything you've got to say?
No, I think you've covered all of it, dear.
You got anything you want to say?
It says, I want my dinner.
Catch you on the next one.
Merry Christmas!
Home time! So we're just on our way back, and we've noticed a tent down by the stream down there, and looks in a bit of a, well, disheveled condition. I might, well, I will. I think I'll go down and check out, make sure whoever's in there's okay. 3 deer up on the hillside there, so people who don't actually see deer on Dartmoor, I'm looking at 3 of them now. But yeah, I think I'll, the GoPro won't pick them out. I have tried with my other camera, but it's only got a ×4 zoom, so they're looking at us now like they can hear me talking. But anyway, there's the tent. I'm going to go down and just call and make sure they're okay. I think it's a wise decision, don't you? The reason I'm doing this is because although I don't know the particulars, a wild camper has been found dead in his or her tent. I don't even know if it's male or female. Recently, within the last week. Nice. Hello, the tent. Hello. Hello, the tent. Is there anybody in there? Hello. Doesn't seem to be anybody in there, but that's quite some mess. I'll do that back up. I'll report that to the National Park. Obviously you can't leave that lying around here. Bit odd. Well, I'm going to get back across this bog now before when I crossed it, I as you can see, managed to go right in up over my boot. Right, well, that was a little bit of excitement. We're going to make our way home now. Thanks for watching. Oh, leave in the comments if you came across something like that, would you go and check it? Be interested. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.